So hello and what's up everybody, this is Abik and welcome to the day 3 video of Node.js session. Today we will talk about Nodemon. So what is Nodemon? Nodemon is just a server that monitors changes in our source code and that prevents our server from freezing. Just like when we change something in our code, if we use node index.js, then our server freezes. So if we use nodemon, then the server will automatically restart and the code will execute from start again. So also it has a benefit, like it does not affect to the original code, and whenever we use nodemon, we do not have to rewrite node index.js and run over and over. Talking about the installation of nodemon, so there are two different ways of installing nodemon. One is installing globally and another is installing as dev dependency. Without doing any delay, let's go to the project. So our server is listening on port 8082 and we got a response like hello in the port. But when I'm using node index.js and I'm changing something over here, hello world, and I'll just save, I'll reload, but we are not getting the response back. So this is the problem while using node only. So I have installed nodemon globally by using this command known as npm install -g and nodemon. This installs nodemon globally and I have already installed it. So to check it, I'll just use nodemon and version. So I have a nodemon of version 2.0.15 and I have nodemon globally installed, so I can directly use. If also if I haven't import it in the x.json, so to use it directly I can just change the node to the nodemon. Now whenever I start the server, like our server is started with nodemon index.js, and whenever I change something like hello world, I'm getting just like response hello world. And whenever I change something like hello world inst and save it, you can see our server is restarted. And here also whenever we reload the page, then we are getting the response back. Our server is restarted and the whole code is run again, so we are getting the response. Likewise, we can also install nodemon as dev dependency. So to install nodemon as dev dependency, we just have to write node npm install nodemon hyphen save as dev. So npm install nodemon -- save dev. This will install in your project folder only, and use it, the project uses in the development phase only. So I hit the enter, and after a few seconds I'll check in the, so when it completes, I'll check here over here package.json file here, and I've got the dev dependencies like nodemon, and I can use it over here. It is already used. So this is nodemon, and also now I'll check, just like I will run the server, and app dot, I'll just change the code something like /user and request response and other function, just saying is user. So now whenever I con it for file, hit control and S or hit save, then the server is automatically restarted, then whole code is automatically reloaded. Also we can restart the server using the rs keyword over here in the terminal and hit the enter button. Then it also restarts the server. So to check the nodemon version, we just check like nodemon and -v, and to implement we just use nodemon index.js. So if you found something helpful from this video, or if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and make sure to comment if something you have any queries, then make sure to leave in the comment section. And also if you want to check my portfolio, then I have given the link over the description section, and also you can check the previous videos which I have talked about the starting phase of the Node.js project initialization, and also I'll be going furthermore I'll be exploring more and more of this topic, so stay connected with me. Thank you. Stay calm, stay cool. Good night.